Hello students, I have given you some of the revision questions to solve. Now here I am explaining you with the answers. The first one was profit is equals to SP minus dash. So we all know that profit is always when a selling price is greater than the cost price. So in the fill in the blank, the cost price will come here. Second question was loss. We know that loss is there when our cost price is greater than the selling price. हम जितने में सेल कर रहे हैं वो कम है प्राइस और जितने में ख़रीदा है वो ज़्यादा है. सो द लॉस इज़ CP minus SP. Now profit percent. Profit percent is always whatever profit we have, that is calculated on the cost price multiplied by 100. So that is how we calculate the profit percent. Profit percent is always calculated on the cost price. Then is the loss percent. Loss percent is loss upon CP. This is also calculated on the cost price multiplied by 100. Then SP, selling price, is cost price within bracket 100 plus gain percent upon 100. So that this will be whatever we calculate, that gain calculated on the CP. The same you can write as CP. If you just split, then this is 100 upon 100 plus gain upon 100. Now this is 1, and when we open it, then this is CP plus gain upon 100 into CP, and this gain upon 100 is gain percent, that is calculated on the CP. So this is how we calculate it. Then the next question is SP. SP is calculated on the loss. When the loss is there, then CP 100 minus loss. In case of the gain we add, and in case of the loss we subtract. The next question is SP is equals to market price minus discount. SP is always calculated on market price, whatever is written in the objects, in the articles, that minus discount given. So selling price is calculated as market price minus the discount. Then the discount percent. Discount percent is, as the discount is always calculated on the market price. So this is discount upon MP into 100. Then selling price in calculated in terms of the market price and discount, we calculate it in this way: market price multiplied by 100 minus discount, whatever discount is given, upon 100. Then we talk about the compound interest and the simple interest. The amount is given as the simple interest plus the principal. This is the amount that we get when we are having the simple interest. The amount is given like that. Then is your next question. Amount is given as P 1 plus R upon 100 whole to the power T, where this T is the time. Then amount, again, when we calculate it for the half yearly, the rate is reduced to half, so it is written R by 200. This 200 is 2 into 100, where 2 comes from R by 2, and R by 2 is in the case when we are having the half yearly calculation. 2T, time is doubled and rate is reduced. Then compound interest is amount minus principal. discount is given as discount percent upon 100 into market price, and the selling price is market price minus the discount. Selling price is market price minus the discount. And the rate of sales tax is always calculated on, you can say, the cost price, or it is also calculated on market price into 100. So this is the solution of the questions that I have given you. In my next video I will start with the new chapter.